In this video, me and Butterflingy tested out this mod called the Kirby Sword in Downshot. This is a really scary mod for us, and this was recorded like roughly in 12 a.m. so we were quiet. And before we start the video, the first recording like got lost suddenly, so I will do the explaining. I got this mod a while ago and I didn't know it was actually a horror mod. I didn't know it was based on a Bone Lab mod too. So when I was like killing like stacked with robots with the Kirby Sword, odd stuff started to happen, and like I thought it was normal. I also did like ignore those sounds a long time ago too, and like 12 in the morning, I decided to like search it more, and things got really weird progressively. So Butterflingy decided to like come and try it out with me to see like what's this funky stuff. Alright, enough talking now. Let's just get into the video already. Jesus Christ.
Hey.
And then a bunch of weird stuff. It sounds like a wine glass. Yes. After that, bro. Well, bro, okay, I can't even impale this guy. Now listen.
As we're gonna hold the Kirby Sword to work there. Oh shoot. Behind you. Bro, look how sick my hand.
Well, that was interesting, but it doesn't do this the first time.
Yeah,
I think the
that's like
second time it does that too.
I just get to try it in Bone Lab because like it's only one. And there's like a baby chasing you. Beat the Bone Lab person. Why this thing's running?
Why does it do that? Why does it do that?
Yo,
No, this is the interesting part. Pretty sure.
I'm gonna spawn like a. Holy
Yo.
shoot! So loud. Wait,
Can I get
Okay.
you?
what's up there? Let's go. Okay. Since we're together, we can like beat up the guy. Come on,
Yeah.
go. Turn. Come on, you wanna go? the heck? Wait, let's see. What's this? Recommended only to be used on empty project. What? Yo, this mod may lose our data. Do you think we should explore?
And yeah, that was the whole video.